Hi everyone, welcome to One World of French Academy. Today we are going to discuss a past paper of DELF A1 French examination. Here you can see the first paper of your question paper. In the top of the question paper you can see nom and pronom. There you have to fill your name and surname. Then there is a code. That code will be given the day of the examination. After that you can see an instruction table. That instruction table is divided into 4: listening, comprehension writing, writing and speaking. In the next column you can see the duration, how much time you have to spend for each category. Then the next column you can see the total mark of each category. The first section is for listening. In the examination hall they will play an audio, and based on that audio you have to fill the answer in your answer sheet. You will have 20 minutes for this session, and the maximum mark for this session is 25 mark. So you have to listen the audio very carefully and fill your answer in your answer sheet. The second session is for comprehension writing. So in your question paper there will be a comprehension. You have to read that comprehension very carefully, and there will be number of questions related to that comprehension. You have to fill the answer after reading the comprehension. The duration for this part of the question is for 30 minutes and the total mark is 25 marks. Third category is writing session. Here you have to fill a form or write a letter or a postcard or send a message to your friend or relatives. So this session time is 30 minutes and you will have total 25 marks. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel. The last section is for your speaking. Here you have to speak with your invigilator. This session is again divided into 3 parts. In first part, the invigilator asks you for your self-introduction, or they will ask a number of questions like your name, your family details, your nationality, date of birth, etc. So you have to give answer for each questions. The second part is for making questions. The invigilator will provide some images or objects, so you have to make questions on that object. The third part is for conversation. You have to communicate with your invigilator. They will provide some object or pictures. You have to buy that object from your invigilator by paying cash. So in this section you have 5 to 7 minutes for your preparation, then 10 minutes for giving answers. The total mark of this session is 25 marks. The total mark of this examination is 100 marks. To get DLF A1 Diploma French Certificate, you need to score 50 mark out of 100. And in each session, you have to score at least 5 mark. That means if you score 23 out of 25 in speaking section, but you fail to score at least 5 mark in writing session, that means you have failed. So in each and every category you have to score more than 5 marks. Then the total time for your examination is 1 hour and 25 minutes. These are the information that you can see in the first page of your question paper.